tonight. So we have a few weeks before we're going to start construction, so we had to get our stuff out of the way. A couple options people have are getting a pod and getting stuff out of the basement, leaving some stuff in and covering it up. You can do a combo of both. We don't really have a lot of big furniture and stuff, it's mainly boxes. So we're choosing to build some shelves for in our storage room. Now that we have the plan layout solidified, we know what areas are designated for storage. So we're using that as our guide as to where we're going to put the shelves. And then from there, we'll be wrapping everything up and visqueen and taping it off to help keep the dust from getting in there. It still can seep in. So if you have anything that you for sure do not want drywall dust in, you should get it out of the basement. But visqueening it off and putting sheets over it will help. So that's our chore tonight, is to get that cleaned out and get our shelves built over the weekend.